Have you made crispy gnocchi bites in your air fryer yet? Super easy, and the only thing you need to shop for is a package of shelf-stable gnocchi. First thing is to preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. While that's happening, pour your gnocchi into a bowl and toss it around with a little olive oil or melted butter and any seasoning of your choice. Today I'm using this spicy jerk seasoning, but I've also made these with tahini, chaat masala, Cajun seasoning, or just good old salt and pepper. Into the hot air fryer for 10 minutes to start with, and remember to give it a shake at the halfway point. Careful, it's hot! These weren't quite there yet, so I let them cook for another 3 minutes. But don't cook for more than 16 or 18 minutes total, or you'll risk drying them out into hard little rocks all the way through. Be careful and make sure to let them cool a bit before you serve these. The outside is cruncha-muncha, but the inside is tender, soft, and steaming hot. These are a perfect snack to munch on just as they are, but they're even more fun if you make a sauce to go with them. I'm cheating today and using my new favorite hot sauce. I just can't get enough of this stuff. Once they cool down, you can store these in an airtight container for a few days, if they last that long. As always, the ingredients and instructions are below in the description box. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment because I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.